So what we're looking for right here, yeah, we're looking for like a bone that's out of place, out of space, but alongside that bone, I'm feeling for some muscle like hypertonicity that's going to present kind of like a drop of honey, like a pea-sized abnormal elasticity of the connective tissue or exaggerated sympathetic activity. That's what we call a subluxation. So if you got that bone out of place with that abnormal elasticity, like an energetic bzzzt, that's where we go, and that's where we're going. So here we go. Chill right there. Boom. She smiles. That's good. It's always good when you smile.